Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm going to quickly discuss how you can execute put credit spread in Robinhood. This is part of the video series on the Robinhood that I'm making to explain all the option strategies in less than 5 minutes. So without any further ado, let's start. Okay, so the first step is you go to the stock, search for the stock that you want to do this strategy on. I tend to do it on AMD mostly because that's the stock I have been following for a very long time. So I know the strong resistance or the upside and downside. So I'm pretty much familiar with this, but you can use any other stock for this. So once you search for the stock, step 2 would be going to the option chain for that. And then once you are in the option chain, step 3 would be selecting expiry date. So in this, as you can see, there are a lot of expiry date, and it is always best to go with something which is 30 to 45 days in advance. And the reason for that is because the theta decay or the theta curve, right, that would be it at its highest during these beyond like 30 to 45 days, right? So that is the kind of time duration that is considered ideal for any option strategy, not just the put credit spread. Okay, step 4 would be, and this is a leg 1 for your put credit spread. So in this one, you're selecting the strike price for the first leg. So you select sell, put, and then you select the strike price. On the strike price, usually as a kind of rule of thumb, you should select something which is closer to 30 delta. Since I'm familiar with AMD, I'm going to just select 100 in my case because I know there's a strong support there. So it would not go below that. So I'll just go with 100. Now step 5 is the leg 2 of this strategy, which is you buy a put right below where you sold. So you sold at 100, so and you buy at 99, right? So that creates a $100 spread, and that kind of is a leg 2 of your put credit spread. Step 6 is you review your profit and loss. Robinhood shows clearly this graph as well, and as you can see, the profit in this you are getting is $25. In terms of the collateral that you have to put is $100. So your max loss, right, in this is just only $75, right? So it is like a very nice strategy for a smaller accounts because you are getting $25 the max profit, and your max loss is only $75, right? So it's almost like 25% return within like a month. Now step 7 is you select the limit price. So you would see two prices, bid and ask. Since we are getting a credit for this, so if you want and you want to execute this option instantly, then you should go with the bid price. If you select ask price, then it might take some time to get this ordered fill, right? So we can go with the bid price. Ask would be definitely will be higher, but you may have to strike a balance here because you may have to wait for a longer time. Now the last step is just you submit. Everything is ready, you review and then you submit. Okay guys, so that was it for this video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and like this video. That means a lot. I'll talk to you in my next video. Happy investing guys. Bye bye.